Hey, Caleb here with Lake State Cleaning. I want to show you the gutter stick in action. So this is our downspout protection device, and what it does is it prevents clogs in your downspouts, which are going to cause a huge problem if that happens. So this is how it works. We've got it installed here. So you can see there's quite a bit of debris packed in around this gutter. The downspout is right at the end of the gutter stick there. So we're going to simulate a heavy rain with a debris-filled gutter with a garden hose. We're going to start adding some water in here. And you'll see how the gutter stick works. So you can see the tray starts to fill up with water. But it's still draining. So shut the water off here. That was a pretty significant amount of rain. You can see the water is coming out of the downspout just fine there. You look back at the gutter. The debris is still there, but it hasn't clogged the gutter stick. Drainage is still occurring, and none of that debris has made it down into the downspout, which is what we're trying to prevent in the first place. You can imagine what would have happened if we didn't have the gutter stick in place there. All that debris would get down in the elbows, the downspouts, almost a certain clog, and then you've got all kinds of issues. So gutter stick's a great device for this. It doesn't prevent the need for gutter cleaning, but it does prevent clogs, which are much harder to take care of and much more likely to cause damage to your foundation, to your roof, to your landscaping. So we really recommend this product.